Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CA Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Someone commented about my sign not being the last video. Here it is. I'm nearly done packing here. It's very much feeling like home. So thank you for bearing with me and just being patient throughout this whole process. Thank you. But for this week, what am I making? I am making a soy butter udon noodle. Now, soy sauce and butter is just such a classic combination. You get that umami from the soy and the butteriness and the lusciousness from the butter. And it is really simple to make. Again, just made with some simple household ingredients and a couple extras. So why don't we go ahead and give it a try. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!